So as you can see, if you already have a Gmail, you can just click on it like that, or if you don't have it already, you can go to your Play Store and download the Gmail. So this is how to create a Gmail account under 2 minutes. So this works on any Android phone, and I will walk you through everything clearly. So you can just create an account by clicking on for your personal use or work as a business. That depends on you. So I want to use my personal use. I'm going to input my first name, which is Aisho. Then I'm going to input my last name, which is Hans. As you can see, so I'm going to click on next. Then I'm going to wait for it to load. Then I'm going to input my month, my day of birth. Then I'm going to input my year as well, as you can see. So straightforward. Then after that, I'm going to put in my gender. If you are a female, put on a female. If you are a male or both, you don't have that. So I'm going to choose Gmail you wish to choose. I'm going to pick that. I'm going to add a password. So your password must be at least 8 characters. So for example, I'm going to put in a password now that is not up to that. And I'm going to click on next to see. Maybe it's going to go or not. So as you can see, I was told password must be at least 8 characters long. So I'm going to make it long as it should be. As you can see, I'm doing that. Then I'm going to click on next now. So good, my account is already on review, which is okay. The password is okay for me, so I'm going to click on next. So you either choosing one step or you choose the first step. That is, I'm going to be following a 4 process. So I'm going to choose in one step. Then click on next again. So you're going to read through the data, the information about it. You accept all. After that, click on confirm. The privacy terms of the Google or the Gmail accounts, you click on it as well. So you're going to wait for it to load. I think it's in network. So if you wish to click on the unlock 15 GB storage, that means again you need to input your phone number. So I'm going to click on that. So I'm going to have to put in my phone number in which I don't want to put in. So I'm going to click on back. Then you can see you can either have your phone there. I'm going to click on back. Then I'm going to click on keep my 5 GB storage. So I'm going to click on code, which will not require putting in your phone number. So after that, I'm going to press done. As you can see, it's loading. You can see that my account is ready to be used for sending Gmail, for sending message, or an importance for scheduling, as you can see. So that's easy. So thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more next videos.